Hello everyone, come to Nungla's channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to a beauty trick that's just with a lemon in your toothpaste. Not only makes teeth strong, but toothpaste also has great beauty benefits. Step 1. Take some toothpaste. Some lemon juice into it. Stir the mixture well. After mixing, you get the same mixture. I apply that mixture on my nails. Keep 5 minutes. Take a toothbrush and brush it evenly on each nail. Wash in water. So now I have whiter nails. Next is a little bit of toothpaste. Lemon juice. Then apply it on the bruised elbow and elbow area. Then wash in water. Just do it twice a week. Your elbows will be lighter. Next is a little bit of toothpaste. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. First, wash your nose with warm water to open the pores. Then blot dry with plasticizer. Apply the mixture on the area with blackheads. Use a soft bristled brush to brush evenly over the area where the mixture has been applied. And wash in water. Just be diligent about giving birth to 2 to 3 times a week. You can get rid of acne. Good luck!